Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video series, today we are going to be start our next project, which is something like object detection. Okay, it is something like if our computer will get any object can be anything. It can be person, it can be girl, boy, or if we have, for example, car, or if you have bus, truck, auto or any other object. Okay, so once we will show the image to our computer will going to be find out what is that image all about. So basically we are going to be use the concept of object detection. Okay, so let's get start this project. So as you know, this is our PictoBlox series, like a machine learning, artificial intelligence, and machine learning series. So you have to be watch the previous videos, like how to log in here, how to create your account, because once you will create an account, then only you can use all the blocks. Okay. So first you can go to that video. If you want, I will provide you the link. Okay. You can just click on the link so that you are able to find out where how to install it or how to use the web browser, but we will require the login. Okay. So how we will start that? You over here, once you will start your PictoBlox AI, you will get this screen. And for object detection, we are going to be use the blocks. Okay. So once you will click on the block, you will get something like this structure. Over here, we have a motion, we have a look, sound, okay? But we wanted to add object detection. So as you can see, once you will click on this extension is here. As you can see this purple color, you have to be click here, okay? Then once you will click here, you will get the extension like this, and we will require the object detection so that we will once you will click on this, you are able to get the object detection. Okay. So if you remember the previous video where we learned the image classifier, how to classify the image. Okay. So in that also I told you first you need to close your video. For example, you are using the Zoom or you are using any other platform. Okay. So first you need to close your video there. Then only your video will get start over here. Okay. So what I will do, I'm going to be also my close the video. Okay. So that we can do the project. Okay. So what we are going to be do here is, as you can see, once you will add this object detection, you will get all these blocks. Okay. Suppose there is a two-way. Okay. Let me tell you what is that two-way. What we can do is either we can try to use the camera. If you will show any object, it will going to be predict, or we can try to upload some backdrop over here. Okay, so automatically once it will get your backdrop, it will going to be say something about that. Okay, so let's see first camera one. So I told you always whenever we will start any project, we need to start with the events. Okay. So we will add when flag is clicked. So what do we want here when flag is clicked? Okay. We wanted to turn on the video. See, now once your video will turn on, we wanted to show the bounding box because we want that box. So before that, if you want, you can try to put that box as well. For example, that box you will get here, the square box. We can delete it and then we will do the coding here. Again, just try to add when flag is clicked. We will go to object detection. We will turn on the video. Now what will happen? Your video will open. We will show the bounding box. Okay. And then we will analyze the image with the help of camera. Okay. So this means what we did here, once flag is clicked, okay, we are going to be turn on the video. We will try to show the bounding box. We will analyze. the image with the help of camera. Okay. Now, what we can do here, we have to be set the size. Okay. So for example, we will go to the motion, set size you will get over here. Once you will scroll it down, see this is your set size. Okay. So once we will set the size, we can set that with the help of your object width. So that block you will get over here. What is your object width? Okay. So this one we will take. It's like width of our object, this one. And instead of this first object, okay, what we can do, we will try to create one variable over here. For example, our variable name is object. We want that as a number for all sprite and then click on OK. So initially we wanted to set the object which will start with 0. Then each time we will try to get the object. Okay. So that after that what will happen? It will go to your X and Y position. So that you will get over here. Now, instead of this X and Y position, we will try to get the X position of your object. So we are going to be added X position of your object, and we will try to add Y position of your object. Okay. Then we will try to see that. For example, if we will get a person, so we will try to say, okay, this is boy or this is girl, this is man or women. That we will try to put inside this hello. Okay. Now what we are going to be add is class, like what kind of class we have over here. And again we will take a object. So this is our overall project. Let's run it, see what we will get over here. You need to make sure your camera is turned off. Okay. As you can see, my camera is open. You are getting this bounding box, as you can see. If I will show something, for example, let me try this bangle. I need to run it. It is not identifying. I need to get some object. Wait, I have this Ganpati Bhagwan. Let's see whether if you have a toys, for example, you have a car or you have any other toys, you need to just run the project, get that toys in front of camera so that it will going to be identified. So as of now, it's capturing my image, as you can see. Because as you can see, this box you are getting in front of me. I need to get some object. Just a moment. Let me get some object. Okay. So as you can see now, I have 2 to 3 objects. Let me show that. Let me show it. So as you can see, it's applying the bounding box for that particular object. Okay. If I will show one more, let's see where you are getting. See, now you are getting 2 bounding box. So it is doing it properly. Okay. Now let's see how we can do for the images. Okay. That's the most important thing. Now we will do for images. What we will do is we will try to download some image. Suppose I want, let's say, boy image. So we will just go to image section, try to download some image. Okay. For example, I wanted to download this. So you need to just right click, save image as. We will click on save. Now come to your project. We have to be just go to this backdrop option. We need to upload. Click on upload. Try to upload your image. So as you can see, we uploaded it. In coding also, we will do little bit changes. So what changes we are going to be do? Very first thing, we don't require this video now because we are going to be use the images. Okay, we are going to be use the image for this camera. Like see, if I will run now. Okay, so let me save it first. Always you need to save your project. You need to click on load from your computer, like save to your computer. Now let's go to file, load from your computer. We are going to be take it. Okay, now if I will run now, so that over here now this is analyzing the image with the help of your background, like whatever images you will provide. Okay, so over here we will do little bit change. Like first we are going to be analyze image from the stage. We need to initially hide the bounding box. Okay, we will set your object. Initial object is 0. We have to be repeat until if we will get any object, we will change the counting. Like just go to the control. Okay, like your variable section, we are going to be change it by 1. Okay, so as you can see, now you are getting this as a person. See, suppose if I want one more image, let me give, for example, I want car image. You have to be just download any car. For example, I'm downloading this one. We will just click on save image, save it, come to your project, come to this upload section. For example, this is now the second one, car. Okay, now if I will run the project, you will get, wow, this is car. So as you can see, it's analyzing the object properly. So what is the difference? I think now you understood. For example, so you want to open the camera, right? So for camera, you have to be just go to your object detection, start your camera. Okay, now it will going to be analyze with camera. Okay, this is the only difference that we have. Now let me give one plain one. Now if you will run, your camera will open. Camera will capture the photo. See, camera is saying I'm a person. If I will show this object, see, it's a clock. Okay, if I will show this one, it's donut. Okay, if I will show this one, frame, it's a cell phone. Okay, if I will show my mobile phone, let's see, it's a cell phone. See, so it means the project is working properly. What you need to do is you have to be first, there is a two-way, right? One we can do with the help of, we can say, for example, you wanted to do with the help of camera or you wanted to upload the images, right? So whatever image you want, you can come to open your Google browser, try to download some image. That image we can upload here, like as you can see this one. See, suppose we have the boy now. What we can do is whenever you are doing with image, okay, you need to just try to remove this camera code. Now, what will happen if you will run? It will remove the camera code and it will apply this. Okay. And whenever you will do with the help of, for example, images, you need to just try to remove the camera. And whenever you will do for the camera, you need to just try to show one line of code. Okay. So in this way, we can try to do the object detection. As you can see, let me run it one more time. So over here, it's identifying me as a person. See, let's see this one for clock. So this is a clock. Okay. So in this way, we can try to create a object detection project. Okay. So please try this project. If you will get any kind of question, you can write that question into the comment section. Okay. And please do this project. Whatever query you have, you can write in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.